Namaste and welcome. Thank you so much for checking out this video. My name is Yogi Aaron and I am the yoga director of Blue Osa Yoga Retreat and Spa. I'm here to talk about our online yoga teacher training 200-hour certification course. I have been teaching and practicing yoga for almost 30 years. One of my greatest passions is to lead people on a yoga journey. In this online yoga teacher training, there are three big takeaways that you're going to receive. And the first one is that you are going to be confident on day one in how to teach yoga. There's so many teacher trainings out there, and I have met so many people that have taken teacher trainings from all over the world. And the number one thing that I constantly hear from people, I do not feel ready to teach. I am not confident enough to teach. I'm not sure that I'm ready to teach. And every single student that ever has come to take my teacher training has always left on day one saying, I am ready to teach. I can't wait to teach. And if you don't believe me, here are some students that you can hear from.
No, I actually feel so confident now teaching yoga, and we had so much practice during the live sessions, and I took on some time practicing in my own time as well. The kind of directions that Yogi Aaron gave us how to teach, and just the wealth of knowledge that he's been able to give to us just really helped me feel more confident and like I can actually go out and teach a class.
I feel very confident now to teach yoga because I feel confident about my voice, in directing and guiding others. Like now, after I've completed this training, I feel like I can actually teach somebody something and I'm not just playing around.
Now that I've done this teacher training, I feel very confident to go out and start teaching right away.
So you're going to receive so much support and so much attention during your time with us. The time the teacher training is finished, you're going to be like, okay, when am I going to have my first student? When am I going to be able to teach my first class? And go looking for those opportunities. The second biggest takeaway that you're going to receive from this online yoga teacher training is to develop a deep-rooted, rock-solid yoga practice. And my goal for you is to give you the most direct experience possible of these teachings. And how does that direct experience happen? One of the biggest ways that it happens is through practice. As we develop that practice, you become connected to A, the power of what the teachings can offer you, but B, the most important thing is that you become fully at rest within yourself. You become at peace within yourself. And what better gift to give yourself than to develop a deep sense of peace and to know where your inner home and sanctuary truly is. There's something that really, I think, magical that happens, and that is that you start to gain a sense of clarity around your life purpose, to really feel a connection to their dharma, to their life purpose, and have the confidence to go out and manifest that life purpose. The third biggest takeaway that you will receive from this online yoga teacher training from me is something that no one else is doing in the yoga world, and that is applied yoga anatomy training. You're not going to be spending hours coloring muscles and bones on anatomy charts. What you will be doing to get hands-on instruction. I know that sounds funny because this is an online yoga teacher training, but you're going to get hands-on experience in learning about the body, the different movements of the body, how to move the body safely, what yoga postures might be risky, and how to avoid those risks. You're going to leave this training with a profound understanding of the human body and the way that the body moves and how to make those movements more stable and stronger. Our goal in applied yoga anatomy is to improve muscle function, to stabilize and intensify muscle strength. And who doesn't want a happy body? The more happy your body is, the better life you're going to lead. And that's what I want to give to you, is the knowledge so that you can improve your students' lives, not just for the immediate moment, but for years to come. This is a moment that we are being called to really make a difference in this world. And one of the ways that you can make a difference in the world is, first of all, by embodying the practices of yoga for yourself, by taking the practices of yoga and applying them into your own life to help you to align with your life purpose and go out and manifest it. And then the second way that you can make a difference is by being of service to each other, truly helping to provide the space for others to replenish and reconnect to their own inner light. My goal for other people is to empower them to provide the space for others, to help them to reconnect with their light, and therefore hopefully they can go and pass it on and pay it forward to others. I have been really blessed in my life to have had some powerful teachers and incredible experiences. I've been to India over a dozen times, and in those journeys I've been from one point of India to the other point of India into the deep Himalayas, and had the blessing to have received these teachings from many teachers and sages that oversee our tradition. What I pass on to you is the gift that they have passed on to me. And so if you would like to receive those teachings and would like to receive something that is authentic, that is real, and that is passed down from a tradition of 5,000 years, then I hope that you'll consider reaching out to me. Please, at any time, reach out to me personally. I'm always here to help answer your questions, to listen, and hopefully provide some direction. If this teacher training speaks to you, I ask you to follow the calling of your heart and take the leap with me. It is my honor to convey these teachings to you, and is my deepest and most sincerest wish that these teachings help to unravel the mysteries of your life, to help you find more peace and more love and more joy, so that you may be more peaceful and more loving and more joyful to others in your life. Namaste.